I'm here with Greg from Citrine, and I just have a few questions for you. Congratulations on making the AI 100. I'm glad to have you here. My first question for you is, what big problem would you say that Citrine solves?
So we're solving the problem that there is way too much data in the materials and chemicals industry, and that data goes dramatically underused in the development and manufacturing of new materials and chemicals. And so our platform allows materials and chemicals companies to make those breakthroughs faster that allow them to get to market, develop more advanced products in areas like alloys, batteries, plastics, all over to make the world a more efficient place.
Excellent. Which brings me to my next question is, what do you think your customers value the most about you guys?
Well, I think there are two things. The first is the ability to handle their data. These companies and people are extremely technical, and the world they work in is extremely challenging. And our platform understands their domain because we are true domain experts. The second thing is these companies are constantly on timelines to deliver new products, and we are able to get them to market twice as fast as they could otherwise. And so they obviously value the ability to beat their competitors to market with new advancements.
Awesome. How did you come up with the idea for your company?
So I actually worked in the materials industry as an operator for a good chunk of my career, and I was constantly awash in data, and my way to analyze it was to open it in Excel, squint my eyes, tilt my head, and hope to see a trend. And all too often it was too noisy. And I met my co-founder Bryce, who had developed machine learning algorithms to analyze just these sorts of data as part of his PhD. And so we had the aha moment of, I have data, you have algorithm, let's solve a problem. And indeed, it worked really well, and we are now the leaders in the world at it.
Oh, nice. I feel you about the Excel sheets. So my final question is, what would you say gives you guys a competitive edge?
Well, so I think there are a few things. The first is today we host the world's largest single materials and chemicals database. So we have partnerships with universities and national labs that allow us to provide that basis of data when companies sometimes lack it. The second is our ability to understand the domains of our customers. And so one of the big problems in materials and chemicals is that even when you have a lot of data, you often don't have enough to do naive machine learning on it. And so we're able to bring that domain expertise to bear, and we actually build specialty algorithms that take advantage of the laws of physics, the laws of chemistry, and the experimental data and manufacturing data that our customers have in their production facilities. And so we're able to bring all of those together and yield much more confident results than we could if we were just using sort of standard machine learning algorithms sans that knowledge.
Awesome. That sounds great. Thank you so much for joining us, and enjoy the rest of the Innovation Summit. Congratulations again on making the A100.
Thank you very much.
No problem.